maayong udto guys. So since break time karon, and we make use of our time to become productive as much as we can. So karon ato lang ipakita og gamay ang mga view dinhi sa palibot. So this is amazing, and as you can see, the nature is very cool despite the heat of the sun, and the weather is good here. And so we are so thankful for the nature. It touches our hearts and it refreshes our soul. So we are here now in Dikala. This is our workplace. Every day we are here and we work here, and the facility is good. We maintain it well, and thanks to the cleaners of the facility. That's all for today.